Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to block camera on Google Chrome. To do that, simply click the three dots on the upper right hand side in Google Chrome and you want to click in settings right here at the bottom. Once you click on settings on the left hand side, click in privacy and security. And from here, you want to scroll down and click in site settings. Under the site settings, scroll down a bit and you'll find the permissions, camera, click on that. And from here, just simply choose the option that says don't allow site to use camera. Once you select this option, you will block camera in Google Chrome. Now, you also want to scroll down a bit because just in case you have any website under the section where it says allowed to use your camera, you want to go ahead and click the bin icon right here to remove all of those sites. And these are like exception sites, so if you don't want them to have exception, just simple remove them or bin them and they will be removed. And so this is how you can easily go ahead and block the camera in Google Chrome.